In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add 3D tracking text in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this video clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to go over to text over here, select add text and select your default text and hit this plus sign to add the default text adjustment over here. Now select it and move it to the front and align it to assume the duration of your clip over here. Now double click on your clip over here to change it to say whatever you prefer. I'm going to hit run. Next, select your clip over here. Now move it above the subject you would like to track. Next, come over to tracking over here and select motion tracking and move this plus sign to where the subject is. I'm going to place it at the center of my subject over here, which is his belly, and hit start and allow CapCut PC to begin tracking my subject. And that's it guys on how to add 3D tracking text in CapCut PC.